Good day and welcome to Whiskey Kilo Garage, where everything WK, Grand Cherokee, XK, Commander, and a bunch of other cool videos that I think you'll enjoy and that I had fun doing. So today we're going to be talking about replacing the rear lower control arm on the driver's side because it is a pain. It will take you forever if you do it the proper cheap way. So why you need to do this is, say you're upgrading to core 4x4 adjustable lower control arms. You want to move that diff back a little bit, or like in my case, I'm installing a super lift. So I need to install these relocation brackets there. So I need to remove the lower control arm. The problem with this is the fuel tank. The fuel tank is in the way. You can't pull the bolt out. Let me go show you. So the problem is that bolt that was right there. If you take a look underneath it, the shank and nut are on the outside over here, and on the inside was the head, which is impossible to see. Let me shine some light. Right up in there, as you can see, you don't have much space there because that is the fuel tank and the fuel tank skid that is in the way, so you cannot pull the bolt out. So that leaves you with two options. One, what I would think I would do, or what I thought I would have to do, is drop the fuel tank to pull that bolt out. Put it back, but that's a lot of work, and I just wish there was an easier way. But guess what? There is an easier way. In the Superlift manual, they give you a bolt, and they tell you to cut that off. Now, how you want to cut it? You could use a grinder like I tried. I could not fit this, and this is normal 4.5-inch grinder there. I could not fit this in there to cut that bolt head off there. Or the nut side there, the nut head off there, and the bolt. So, well, I tried using a reciprocating saw. I went through about 6 blades on this thing there, and they're fine tooth, they're the proper blades. Just you're cutting through a bolt. Bolt is tough steel. So I also tried a rotary tool, a small little grinder, but that did not help either. What I ended up happening there is I got about halfway through that bolt. That's all I could get with those 6 blades, and I didn't want to waste any more blades. So my plan B, well, I guess I showed you it too late, spoiler alert. This was the bolt. As you can see here, where is it? There we go. You can see where I cut and what snapped. I took a braking bar on one side, and I took my big 1,300 foot-pounds of torque on this thing, and I just tightened it until the bolt snapped. That made it a hell of a lot easier. I still did cut as much as I could possibly because I didn't want to over torque and bend stuff there, right? Because it's squeezing your lower control arm. But eventually that's all I did was I took that and bolt and cut and snapped the bolt. That leads to the problem of where to get a new bolt. If you go back to Jeep, I've heard they're like 50, 60 bucks for one bolt. That's a lot of money. I just take the broken one. But what I read online there is it's a M12 by 2.0 by 200 grade 10 bolt. So you can just go to your local store, local Princess Auto or parts stores, parts zone, whatever you got near you, the bolt guys, and get a new bolt. And that will save you a lot of grief putting those lower control arms in there. So have fun, keep all 4 wheels in the dirt. Screw that, you know. Get air, have fun, enjoy it. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye. So I forgot 2 things here. The first one, just in case you're wondering, I didn't have to order another bolt because I have a spare because of that Commander I stripped. So I kept some spare parts here from it. And that bolt is one of them, so I'm going to throw in a new bolt there. The last thing I forgot, like and to subscribe to Whiskey Kilo Garage. It really helped me out here and helped me make more videos. I'm going to keep pumping them out there with everything I can on this thing. So take care. Adios. Bye.